Good morning, dear students. So in the last class we learned types of articles, that is definite and indefinite article. So the further part of your grammar is countable and uncountable nouns and gender of nouns. So see here, countable and uncountable nouns. So these are also the type of nouns. Okay, so here you may know like singular and plural noun. Singular means only one and plural means many. Okay, so countable means the nouns which can be counted. Okay, now see it may be anything. See, now if dog is there, then we can count the dogs, right? So those are called as countable. Now dog, book, pen, anything it may be, a noun which is countable. Okay, that is called as countable noun. And uncountable means, see, we can't count those nouns. It means it may be your hair, okay, and water. So see here, they have given the example, like which we cannot count. Those are called as what? Uncountable nouns. So here, 2 glass of water they have given. We won't say that 2 waters are there. Give me 2 waters. No, we'll say give me 2 glass of waters, right? So this water is uncountable. Okay, so which we can't count, those are called as uncountable, and which we can count, those are called countable. Okay, so here see, circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. So which we can count, that we have to put circle, and which we cannot count, that we have to put underline. So just see there, I have made beauty. See why beauty is underlined? Because it's an uncountable. We cannot count beauty. Okay, that is why it's uncountable. Idea. Idea is also seen. These feelings are, see, feelings and which are not visible, those all are uncountable only. Okay, so idea also uncountable. Air. Can we count air? No, it's not possible. So it's uncountable. Shops. Shops are countable, right? So if you go to one like if you go to market, then easily you can count shops. So shops are countable. Horse. Yes, you may count, you can count horse, like how many are there in one area or how many are there in one city or village. You can count the horses. Milk. Milk you cannot count. See, as we cannot count the water also, the same way milk we cannot count. We can say like 1 liter milk is there, but in that 1 liter how much is there, like that we cannot count. Okay, 1 2 3 4 like this we cannot count. Money. Yes, we can count the money. Houses. Yes. See, if you like if you go out and stand in your street, then you may see 15 to 20 houses in one street like this. Okay, so we can count the houses. Dolls. Yes, we can count the dolls also. Knowledge. Knowledge will be, knowledge is visible? No, it's not visible for us. So it is uncountable. Now next see, gender of nouns. So there are 3 types of like gender of nouns are there. One is masculine gender, feminine gender and common gender. So masculine means it refers to men, boys or male animals, and feminine means it refers to women, girls and female animals. Okay, and here common means, see, common noun is used for both male and female. Like, see, if teacher is there, then we'll say teacher, whether it may be male or female. Okay, child, whether it may be male or female. Baby, whether it may be baby boy or a baby girl, right? So these are few common words. Common gender we call. Okay, so here we have to classify nouns into masculine and feminine gender. So here see, I have already filled the columns. So just you have to see those columns and you have to copy in your book. See, only just 2 to 3 I'll read for you. Remaining you can see and you can write. See, hero. Yeah, hero is a male. So, you have to write it in masculine. Heroine. Heroine is female. So, it's in feminine. Prince. Princess. Actor. Actress. Right? So, like this you have to divide masculine and feminine and you have to write it in those given columns. Now, pick out words of the common gender from the list. So, here which all the common genders are there that we have to pick out. So, just I have underlined. See, manager. Manager can be a girl or a boy. Like manager can be a man or a woman. So, okay. So, police officer. Same like police officer can be a man or woman. Okay, so here see, even headmaster will come. Okay, so headmaster may be a man or woman. Chairperson, director, head teacher. Okay, so these many will come in common gender. The other will come in like masculine and feminine. See, postwoman, duckling, chicken, these all will come in masculine and feminine. So, here your third lesson's grammar part will be finished. Okay, after this we'll start with the next lesson. Thank you, students.